I'm talking a lot about COVID-19, and I'm really sorry because a lot of people have said they missed inspirational stories. Well, today I have an inspirational story for you guys, and this has a surprise opportunity at the end. So I learned about this woman who went from helping her mother to sell palm oil, that is red oil, also selling okrika, that is used clothes, on the streets of Lagos, to becoming a multi-millionaire. Ladies and gentlemen, please meet my mother, Auntie Grace Ofure. She got into business at an early age, selling palm oil with her mom while she was still in school. After her university degree in NYSC, she got married. She could not find a job in Lagos, so she started selling used clothes, okrika. And she said to me on the phone, she said, even if all I made was just enough to make dinner, Adeola, I wanted to contribute in my home. I didn't want my husband being the only one providing. And so she started selling okrika. And one day at the age of 24, while hawking okrika, she said she ran into an old classmate who was looking more comfortable financially. So she asked her friend what she does for a living. Is there something that I can do? And the classmate told her that she's into real estate, brokerage, and investment. So she said that was how she put down her okrika that day, and that the rest of that afternoon she listened as her friend talked to her about opportunities in real estate, and also how her friend told her that she needed to be careful not to buy lands without bankable documents, CFO, because she would lose her savings. So she said that she was really intrigued, and that was how she started learning about real estate. It took a couple of years before she actually invested, but she kept saving money in order to go into real estate. And you know, from selling used clothes, this woman saved 500,000 naira over a period of years. I was like, that's amazing, 500,000 naira. So when an opportunity to purchase a fast appreciating land came up, even though she had 500,000 naira, it wasn't enough. Her savings was not enough to buy the land. The land was 2 million naira. So guess what she did? She gathered her friends together. She told them about real estate. She told them how the land would appreciate in 5 years if they can put their money together. And she put down 500,000 naira. Her friends also put down their savings, and by co-investing, they were able to buy that 2 million naira land in order to share the profit according to their individual contributions when they sell the land. But do you know that they didn't have to wait for 5 years? By the end of 3 years, this 2 million naira land that they bought had appreciated to 14.5 million naira. And so they sold it and they shared the profit amongst themselves. And she got a little over 3 million naira. Her 500,000 naira became 3 million plus in 3 years. She couldn't have gotten that if she left the money in the bank. She got that money without her doing anything. The land appreciated by itself. So when she saw what was possible from that one deal, she realized that she worked way harder while she was selling okrika just to save 500,000 naira over a period of years. But in real estate, she didn't need to do anything than put down her money. The land appreciated by itself. So she wanted to know more. She was intrigued. And so she started shadowing successful people that are into real estate. So she started working for them for free. For years, they would send her on errands until gradually they would take her along when they are closing deals. Gradually, they started sending her to close deals. And after some years, she was able to start her own real estate company, lifecardcompany.com. She said she did that because she wanted to see more about seeing people come out of the rat race. She has videos on YouTube, by the way, about real estate. She's also on Instagram, and her company, Lifecard, has its own Instagram page. You can follow them on Instagram and on Facebook. Now, this woman owns estates in Lagos, estates, not just one, and she owns lands that she's selling. She's selling apartments that she can also manage for her clients, and she's also teaching real estate classes online besides the YouTube videos that she has. And if you're not interested in real estate, at least let her story inspire you today. At least learn to save money. People don't get out of poverty by accident. So this is what it means to go from selling okrika to becoming a real estate mogul. Oh shit, money is good. So this is a self-made multi-millionaire that wants other people to learn how to do it. She said, if I could do it, if I could go from selling palm oil and selling okrika to becoming a multi-millionaire, she said to me that anybody can learn how to do this. Anyway, happy birthday, my sister. God bless you. I'm so proud of you. You guys not know much. Guess what? I'm just keeping it real.